Alright, so hi guys. Me know say I know for no been a wait to see when me and SHENBOO really go on with for Valentine's Day, you know. Me know one did that wait I know I see me see comments them, you see me. And it take me a lot of convincing, Me have to me have to rub SHENBOO feet and me rub her scalp them and me have to go out with a bag of things to convince her to make me actually share some of my stuff with her, But eventually she say yeah, me can share a couple stuff. So you're all gonna be rewarded for sticking around and staying tuned. You see me? So here are a couple things that me and SHENBOO do throughout Valentine's Day.
Epicflows production.
Epicflows.
Yeah!
Pas de soleil, 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 pas de soleil.
So boom. First things first, me know a whole heap of man say, yo, Valentine's Day officially there, me no celebrate them song now and I go on all type of way, But you see, me have to make my boo feel extra special on that one day then. Not just that one day there still, but you see the days leading up to that one special day, me have to make sure feel extra special, because another girl now feel more special than my boo, you see me? So yeah man, so leading up to Valentine's Day, we have a week of celebration, you see me? I don't know she not really too up in a post up things on social media. So she trying to keep things on it down low. But me get a local permission and me I go take things on it up high. You see me? So you see for me me know say the waste to my woman heart a food. You see me, because me know she more love food. So boom bang. First thing me do, we got one nice local restaurant and me get her servings a crab. Now you look good dirty crab, them you see her run both places now. You know she's a queen, so we have to get her king crab. You see me? Mix up in a local garlic oil, garlic butter.
Doing it different today. Oh, with the garlic butter. And of course, a little spice on the side.
You want to see your boy dance?
Well, you are a partner.
Boobox done that quick and easy. Mortal comeback style. Then at the time for round 2.
Round 2.
We get pasta taco with breadstick and cheese. We top done all that. So day 2 now leading up to Valentine's Day, both fly out. What? Me no make that stop me. Me just get her a pre-Valentine's Day gift still. You see me get her a coral of flowers, because me know she love a sweet smell. And me get her one of them big teddy bear, they big like me, so she can hug it up. You see me, when me on the road and she gone up on the road, she can hug and just be reminded of me. You see me? You see me?
Got early Valentine's gift.
Me get her a deck of chocolates. Me tell her say them sweet, but them not sweet like she.
Good.
Don't get jealous now. Yeah man.
I'm gonna get so fat.
Hey boo.
Hey baby.
So day 3 now, boo flying back and me just tell me I got one of them nice looking restaurant there. I know she like pineapple, so she had one pineapple. Me done the plan out that with the waiter already. Me tell the waiter say just bring the whole pineapple, cut out the middle, throw a little water and thing in it, sprinkle a little ginger and give me a whole pineapple juice and me give boo that. See your boy go on. For the main course, we got lobster and shrimp. Some y'all don't know about lobster and shrimp when them a drink shrimp cup soup and I watch Larry the lobster on SpongeBob. We have to be a fun man, but we have to leave the restaurant early car. Boo, baba pi bathroom, but me tell her, say me I go tell you all out. Me still can't believe it, you bum up people in the bathroom with the babes.
Single.
You know, easy, Suppose they find out SHENBOO do it.
Yeah, nobody know.
You sure about that?
How will they know?
Me feel them are gonna know.
Nobody's gonna know.
Me I tell them. Boo, me no know how you want so nice. It's like say God and sleep when you need to make you. Can't be your goodness drop in. Hold on. You see uno face? Me not argue with you no more. But yeah man, me promise you look a video there we do me and SHENBOO go on with throughout Valentine's Day. And this is me show on it. So me just come to tell you ones and ones them say, it no matter which part your love interest there? You see me and Shenboo, we are two busy people. She always back and forth out of Jamaica, in a Jamaica, but we still make it time for each other and make each other feel special. You see me? No matter if we're far or we're near, you see me, we put in the work, we put in the effort into the relationship, and that keep it so strong. You see me? Anytime we link up, it's like say she never gone, cause she always on the call with me and thing. You see me, communication and trust, so that make it work. You see me, so youngins, take a page out of my book and just make this inspire one of the cherish on a relationship. You see me? Yeah, man. You see me? So this is SHENBOO Valentine's video. I hope you enjoy it. Drop a comment. Let me know what one of your favorite part is. Make sure you bust a like. Make sure you subscribe if you're a new watcher of this channel. You don't know, it's your boy Epic. I'm out. Turn on post notification too. And share, tell a friend, whatever. You see me? Just do the do. You see me? I'm out thing.
It's epic out here.
Epicflows production.
Radical and big.
Epicflows.
Leash. Big bad boy Jamaican, you know. Kingston.
You know I rep Epicflows when I step into my clothes.